Hey friends, welcome back to Anshul Creates. In today's tutorial, we're diving into something super useful for anyone working with images and graphics, how to remove a specific part of an image using Figma. Whether you want to cut out objects or simply clean up your designs, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step right inside Figma. Let's jump right in. Alright, so for our example today, I've got an image here with two birds. Let's say we want to remove one of these birds from the image. Maybe you're designing a poster or creating a collage, and you just don't need both. Removing just one part means we can keep the rest of the photo just the way we want it. And yes, we can do this easily in Figma without needing Photoshop or any other heavy software. The first thing you want to do is select your image in Figma. Next, let's head down to the bottom center of your Figma window. You'll spot the pen tool. It looks a little like a fountain pen tip. The pen tool is really powerful because it lets us draw custom paths and shapes, just like tracing along the outline of your bird in this example. Go ahead and click on the pen tool. Now comes the most important part. Carefully clicking points to make a path around the bird you want to remove. Think of it like connecting the dots. You'll click once to start, then keep clicking along the outline of the bird to trace it as closely as you can. Take your time here. This part might take a few moments, especially if the shape is a bit tricky. Don't worry if your path isn't perfect on the first try. You can always adjust the points later by dragging them. The goal is to create a closed shape that completely encircles the bird you want to remove. Once your path is complete and loops back to the starting point, you've made a closed shape. Now you'll notice it has a thin outline known as a stroke. For the next step, we want to fill this shape, so go to your fill options and add a solid fill color. At this point, it doesn't matter what color you use because it's just acting as a mask. While you're at it, let's remove the stroke. You don't need that outline anymore for this technique. Here, the key step that does the magic. You're going to select both the filled shape you've just made and the original image together. You can hold down Shift and click each one, or use the Layers panel to select both. With both things selected, look for the Subtract operation in Figma. This lives in the top menu under Boolean operations. Click Subtract. What this does is it cuts or subtracts the filled shape you've drawn out of the picture, almost like using a cookie cutter to slice out just that part of the photo. The bird you traced is now removed from your image, and the rest stays perfectly intact. If you need to, you can make small adjustments to perfect the cutout. And don't worry if your first attempt isn't flawless. Sometimes a little tweaking goes a long way. Think of it as sketching or sculpting. You're shaping your image exactly how you want, and that's it. With just a few careful steps, you've learned how to delete a specific part of an image in Figma, all without leaving your workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to Anshul Creates for more step-by-step design tips in Hindi. If you have any questions or want to see more image tricks in Figma, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching and happy designing.